Let me show you something real quick. If you're wondering why you're getting low paying surveys or getting disqualified every time, it is not your profile. It's your location. Your location is the problem. And in today's video, guys, I am going to fix that. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your IP and start accessing high paying surveys and stop getting disqualified every time. And trust me, it is not the use of your normal VPN. This method is simple and it is beginner friendly. And don't worry, I'll not just be telling you how to do it, I'll be showing you how to do it. So watch this video to the end, because one step that you miss can actually get your account flagged, but the right setups can actually triple your earning. Now, before I get on to show you all of this, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, the Grand Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online and you've not subscribed to this channel, this is your first time seeing us, but be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now, when I upload videos that actually help you make money online, you get notified and you start putting into action what I show you on my channel. Before I get to hold you by the hand and show you everything you need to do, let me explain what we're going to be doing in this video so you don't get confused. So we're going to need to buy what we call IP, residential IP address. So if you have a cell phone, you have an IP assigned to the SIM card in your cell phone. Your internet providers assign you an IP address. If I check my address right now, it's going to show me that I am actually this place or this place in this part of the country, this part of the world, right? So we're going to get an IP that mimics an internet connection, right? And it changes our address from anywhere in the world. And if you actually want to get high-paying surveys, I actually advise you that you get IPs that mimics internet connection from the US. So it shows that from the US, whether you're in another country altogether. Basically what a VPN does, but this is actually better than a VPN. So buy the IP for a specific amount of money. I'm going to put the link to this IP for residential IP providers. I'm not going to put my affiliate link. I'm just going to either write the link or even just write the name of this IP provider so you can actually go search them yourself. All right, I'm not affiliated to any one of them, but because I have your best interest at heart, that is why I'm actually making this video. All right, so you buy the IP address. You then use what we call a connector. I like to call it a connector. I don't know the general name. And then you connect the IP address to the connector that is on your phone. And once it's connected, you can actually go on to carry out the surveys. So I'm actually going to show us one provider, and then I'm going to list the other providers before the end of the video. So without further ado, guys, let me hold you by the hands and let me show you what you must need to do. If I go to Chrome and I search Scamalytics, I'm going to be seeing my IP address. This is my IP address. Wait, let me go to Scamalytics, right? And let me just scroll the way down. This is my IP address. This is my current IP address. So I click on check IP. So this is my IP. It's showing all of this, and if I go down, it's going to show Nigeria, right? It's going to show my the state I'm in. It says River State, Obiabo. This is not where I am at the moment, but it's pretty fine, right? So this is my IP address. This is the IP address that my internet providers have given me. So this is what I'm using at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I need to change this IP address to actually be able to get to the point where I'll bypass detection by the system, by the app, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this particular platform. This platform is called Geonix. It's called Geonix. And once I get to Geonix, I'm going to click on login. If I don't have an account, I'm going to go ahead and create an account because I already have an account. So I'm going to click on login. Let me show us how to buy proxy, right? So what we have buy proxy right here. If I click on it, I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to select residence. I select residence. It says buy residential proxy, choose tariff, right? So I'm going to just come over right here and click on pay as go, right? And I'm going to click on buy. So I'm going to pay $3 to buy for the one I'm going to use as I go. And I'm just going to select anything. I'm going to select web scraping. I'm going to leave this as Google. Payments method, I'm going to use LTC, because if you try this with I'm going to use LTC for my payments, right? And this is my email. I'm going to click on pay $3. I'm going to click on pay $3, I'm just showing you how to buy this residential IP address. And I just have this. So it says sign up. I'm already signed up, so you're just going to go ahead and sign up. Let me just click on login because I already have an account. All right, so I'm signed in now, and I'm just going to click on select currency, and I'm going to select LTC. Now the reason I'm going to select LTC is if I have any coin, I'm going to just convert it to LTC because they don't really take service charge. It's not really as much as it is when you send like BTC or USDT or any other thing. So I'm just going to click on proceed to payments, and it's going to show me, it's going to like generate this, and I'm just going to copy I'm just going to copy the recipient's wallet address. I'm going to copy it, and I'm just going to go ahead and pay money into it, and it's going to reflect here. So that is how to buy. I'm not buying right now because I already have one. I already have stuff. So I'm just going to click on select login. So I'm logged in right now, and once I buy this, it's going to reflect on my dashboard. I'm going to come to where we have resident orders. I'm going to show us how to actually set this up, resident orders. And I already have this one. I already have one. I've been using some of them for a while. I just deleted the ones I bought. So to actually set this up, I'm going to leave this as sticky, right? I'm going to leave this as sticky, and I'm just going to come over right here, give it a name. You can actually go for the default name, so I'm going to leave this as enter the name. I'm going to leave this as username and password, file link, select country. I'm going to change this. I'm going to search United States because that's the country I want to work with. United States. I'm going to select United States, and region, I'm going to select Alabama. City, I'm going to select Birmingham, right? And ISP, I'm going to select AT&T Internet. I'm going to come back here and give this a name because I already have US Alabama Birmingham here, so I'm going to leave this at 2, right? I'm going to leave this at 2, and then I'm going to go to where we have formats. I'm going to select this last one, login, password, IP, ports. I'm going to click on create. So once I click on create, it's going to go ahead and create. So I'm just going to give it a while to actually create, and then we get on to setting it up. So you see it's set up, and we have here 2, and I'm just going to click on see all. Once I click on see all, it's going to give me the what I need to actually sign in. This is what I actually need to sign in. Don't worry, I am going to delete this at the end of this video, right? I'm going to delete this at the end of this video so you don't have it, all right? So look at this. This is all you need. These are the details you need. I'm going to come to Play Store, and I'm going to search for Tune to Tap. Tune to Tap. I was using Sockstrike before, but so I already have this downloaded on my phone. All I'm going to do is install. Once you have it installed, click on open. Once you click on open, you're going to have something like this. So let me explain how we're going to be able to set this. So once you come over here, select this to HTTP connect, and you have this. You have where you're getting the proxy from, and you have the port number here, and you're going to come over to authentication setting, and this is where you're going to put your username and put your password. So let's see another option. This is another one I use. You can search for it on, it's called CherryProxy. This is another one I use, CherryProxy. So all I'm going to do is add proxy. Come and click on add proxy here. So I'm just going to give it a title too, and I'm going to leave this as HTTP. The server is so authentication method, select this to be user and password. So the server is, I'm going to just copy this thing from here. Server is this one. Okay, I think I should copy it there from here so that we understand it. Server is this rexgeonix.com. rexgeonix.com, that's the server. So I'm just going to copy it. Copy the server. No, not into tab. So I'm going to remove this. I'm just going to paste this server here. Next I'm going to do is copy the port number. The port number is 10,000. I'm going to copy this, right? And next thing here is username. So I'm going to copy this username, copy, and I'm going to paste the username here. Next thing is going to be the password. I'm going to copy the password, paste it here, and It's correct. I'm going to save this. I have something here. I have this recording tool, right? This my phone recording stuff here. So I'm just gonna click on save. Now if I click on start, you're going to see that key icon. That key icon is showing automatically that it has changed my IP. So let's go back to Scamalytics. I've opened a lot of Scamalytics on my phone. I hope I have the right one. So this is Scamalytics we opened before, which was showing my IP address that I'm in Nigeria. Now, if we click on Scamalytics, if we click to refresh this, it gives us a new IP, which is this. And if I click on check IP, you're going to see that it has changed my IP automatically to this. States, United States, Alabama, Jefferson. It gives me this, right? All right. So now that you know how to change your IP, it's going to be important that you start carrying out surveys. And in this next video to come, I'm going to show you a list of survey websites or survey platforms that can actually help you make money online. All right. So I'm going to see you guys in the next one, and peace.